Welcome to our exciting chemistry class, young scientists. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of chemistry. Chemistry is all about understanding the building blocks of matter and how substances interact and change. Everything around us, from the water we drink to the paper we write on, involves chemistry. Chemical reactions can create new substances, release energy, or even change colors. A simple experiment, like mixing baking soda and vinegar in a flask, causing a fizzy reaction. See how mixing these two substances creates a fun and bubbly reaction. That's chemistry. Can you think of other everyday examples where chemistry is at work? I bet you can. Chemistry is the science of studying different substances, what they are made of, and how they can change. Cooking eggs solidify when heated. Cleaning chemicals to remove dirt, stains, and germs from our homes and keep them clean and safe. Medicine doctors and scientists use chemistry to develop medicines that can make us feel better when we're sick. Colors and paints. Chemistry is behind the beautiful colors we see in paints, markers, and dyes. It helps create pigments that give objects vibrant hues. Environmental protection. Chemistry plays a role in finding ways to protect our planet. Scientists use it to develop eco-friendly materials, alternative energy sources, and methods to reduce pollution. And that's a wrap for our fun-filled chemistry adventure. We hope you had a blast exploring the magic of chemistry with us. Remember, little scientists, chemistry is all about curiosity, discovery, and endless possibilities. So, keep exploring, asking questions, and never stop being curious about the amazing world of chemistry. We can't wait to see you in our next adventure. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chemistry adventure.